All right, James, you're holding it down for the stock 6G crowd. Let's see what you got. We're going to take him up this ramp, folks, till he pulls a tire. We got a tire off the ground.
Prison rules might be fun, James. You never know.
Oh, are we going for prison rules, James?
James.
James. Oh, hey, give him, come on, guys.
Come on, cheer him on. He just did a switch. It's that easy, folks. That is called peer pressure. All you teenagers, that's how it's that simple. My goodness.
Yeah, my wife's gonna love this.
Nobody show James's wife. That's what he just said.
James, how you feeling? Put your hand out. Show the oh, he's calm. Oh, he's calm, Mitch.
I don't know, I saw a little shake.
Glad I wore my Depends.
All right, guys, we're just hooking a winch up. Make sure he is safe. We'll pull him in just taut. We're not pulling on the rig unless we absolutely have to. You guys having fun? All right.
Let's see, what can we do here? What do we got in the back over here by this fancy fender?
Mitch, I think they need some giveaways. Oh, we're going.
I'm turning around for 1 second, James.
James putting on a show here. He's trying to take that early Bronco out already.
Hey, he's still got 3 tires planted. He's dang near to the top. That wheelbase is helping him out.
That wheelbase is for the win. Oh. I think we're getting close. Morgan, you calling it? Morgan's calling it. He's done. Give him a round of applause.
Everybody give it up for James. Let's see, James, don't go toppling down now. I'm right over to the passenger side of you.
What do we got?
113.
113, guys. 113. Tell them how good that was.
There we go.